Itadakimasu. Oh my goodness. Hello everyone. Welcome back to On the World Stage. If you're new here, my name is Marielle and I live in Japan. This morning I am visiting the Kameo Manendo shop in Zhiugaoka. So the reason that I'm visiting the shop now in May is because this month they're selling a special daifuku. It is a tomato basil daifuku, really, tomato basil. I was really surprised to see this flavor and knew that I had to try it. So this tomato that they're using in the daifuku is from Kanagawa Prefecture. It's from the Shonan area and it's called a honey drop tomato. So it's really sweet, like eating a sweet fruit. At least that's what they say. So let's go try it. Hello again. So I am walking around Zhiugaoka. I never come to this side of Tokyo, to be honest, or rarely do. I live on the other side. So I have a bag of sweets. I ended up buying 3 of these tomato daifuku, and then I bought 4 other things because the lady in the shop was so nice. And I asked her like the recommendation and what the shop's famous for, so she recommended some items. And I thought I came such a long way this morning just to try this tomato daifuku. So why not just like try some other things? Right now I'm walking to Zhiugaoka Park because I need to sit down and try the daifuku. Okay, so a slight change of plans. The Zhiugaoka Park has like a bunch of tiny children playing in it. So I think I'm going to go to Daikanyama and just sit somewhere there and try the daifuku. Hello everyone, so I am sitting on the terrace at Tsutaya, the Tsutaya Starbucks, and I'm going to try my daifuku now. So finally I got to a place where I can sit down. Let's see how this is. So before I get to the daifuku, which we're all waiting for, I have these, which Kameo Manendo are known for. So the shop clerk, she recommended these to me. This is Navona and it's cheese cream flavored. She said this is their most popular one. I also got a pineapple flavored one, a mango yogurt flavored one. That looked really good. And then she said if I got one more, I would get a free paper bag. So I got this kind of coffee flavored one, coffee butter. So yeah, all these look delicious. So finally, here they are. The Ire Tomato Daifuku. So these tomatoes are from a specific farm in Kanagawa near Shonan. And they're supposed to be really sweet, like candy. So let's see. So we've reached the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's try the tomato daifuku. Itadakimasu. Oh my goodness. Look how juicy that tomato is. It's so fresh and it's so sweet. I'm making such a mess. I ate all the tomato. So inside there seems to be shiro an, and then only a little bit of basil in the mochi part. It's not overpowering basil, it's not like pesto, it's really light and just adds to the experience. That was really good. That was really good. It's not savory at all. That is completely a dessert. It's just something I never expected to try. And I really liked it. I'm glad I bought 2 more. I think I'm going to try this nabona, which she recommended to me at the store. So I'll just try this and then that'll be it. I actually found a piece of cheese in there. Wait, look at that. There's actually a piece of cheese. But for some reason it tastes good. What's with this shop making like savory and sweet things that you don't expect? Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. It helps me so much to be able to create more fun content in Japan for you. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you can also follow me there. It's on the world stage. Thank you so much for watching and see you. Arigatou gozaimashita. Mata ne.